Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Monday. So on Mondays on my channel, we do non-dessert recipes, so it's either breakfast or dinner or drinks or anything like that. And today we're making 4th of July pancakes because 4th of July is coming up pretty soon. So I thought it'd be fun to celebrate it with breakfast as well. These are the best pancakes ever. Oh my gosh. And they are topped with the most delicious cream cheese glaze. It tastes so good and it's a perfect addition to pancakes. So let's get started. Okay, first to make the pancakes, you want to combine some flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In a larger bowl, combine the milk, butter, and egg, and whisk until fully combined. Add the dry ingredients and whisk together, but make sure not to overmix. Then divide into 3 bowls and dye the batter red and blue, leaving the remaining bowl white. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and spray with cooking spray. Dollop 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter onto the frying pan, smooth the surface, and cook until the pancakes develop some bubbles on the surface for about 1 to 2 minutes. Flip and cook for an additional 1 or 2 minutes or until the surface is browned, and then you just want to continue with the rest of the batter. Then to make the delicious glaze, you want to beat some cream cheese with an electric mixer until smooth. Add the confectioner, sugar, and milk and mix until combined. Then to serve your pancakes, you want to stack the pancakes alternating with the red and white pancakes, and then grab all the blue and place them on top so it looks like the American flag. Then you can pour some of that delicious cream cheese glaze on top and then top it with some whipped cream and sprinkles or decorations or anything that you like, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Let me know in the comment section down below what you're making for the 4th of July and what you're making for Canada Day. I think we will have passed it by now. What did you make for Canada Day? I hope your Canada Day was great. And I hope you have a safe 4th of July, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!